Today we're going to learn how to integrate the ports of an ALLNET Layer 2 Plus Smart Switch into the ALLNET ICA, meaning instrumentation, control and automation. Therefore, we have to get a bit more technical this time around and dare to take the first step into our combined automation solution. So let's start with the configuration. First of all, we open the browser and type the IP address of the switch into the address bar to get to the web interface. Now we click on Configuration, System and Information. Here we select a contact person and, for example, enter the name of our ALLNET product manager. We give him a name and select the location, in this case our headquarters Germering in Germany. And as always, don't forget to hit the Save button. Now we create a new user by selecting Security, Switch and User, and call it, for example, Jason. For the password, we simply use the same word. Below we have the possibility to determine a privilege level. 10 stands for writing and 5 reading only. Since we have to add it, we choose 10, meaning writing and reading. We save that again and are done here for the second. So now we go into the user interface of the control unit ALL 3500. Here we can find the tab Functions and then Remote Devices. We click on the plus and type in the IP address of the switch that we just configured. 10.20.73.110 and examine. And once again, the username is Jason as well as the password. Now all of the ports and the configured names are displayed. We can simply select only the ports that we need, in our case the PoE ports, and can edit them in the graphical representation of the control unit. Concerning that, we hit Apply Selection and now the various ports of our switch suddenly appear. If you hover over the buttons with the mouse, you can see that the ports of the switch have a green border. This means that they are remote sensors. The local sensors, on contrary, have a white border. If you want to get to the settings of the particular sensors, you only have to click on the little tool icon in the corner. As an example, we could give the sensor the name IP camera if it is connected with this port of the switch. Now we can switch the sensor on and off at the touch of a button. Furthermore, we have the possibility to group the sensors together. For doing that, just simply click Functions, Virtual Sensors. I call the virtual sensor, quite creatively actually, all PoE ports. Later we'll add all of our ports to that group. Now I select Virtual Actor here, save it, and now we have a new button on the overview. Once again, we hit the little tool icon and select the individual ports that should be clustered. If you click on the new button now, all of the ports are switched on and off at once. The next video is going to be about the integration of network optics, video surveillance software, and generic events into our combined automation solution. ALLNET, the network people.